Hello, everyone. Welcome to Writing 101. My name is Professor Anderson, and we are going to have a great semester together in this class. Today, I'm going to take you through some of the most important pages of our site just to make sure you understand how to navigate and get around. You can always reach out to me. I'm quick to email. I've also shared my personal cell phone number with you on my instructor widget so that you can reach out to me, text or call if you need me, so that we can make sure that you are successful. Okay, so you'll see I have this on student view, and there are some really critical features here. Here we have content, we have assessments, we have course resources, and we have help. Explore all of these tabs, but today in particular, I'm going to cover the content tab. This gives you a sense for your course overall. You can see that if you're in the table of contents, it will show you all 62 documents that are in your site. And you can scroll down and see all of the modules that we'll be doing. And you can see we have a 16-week class and we have 16 modules. And then down here, there's also a few resources, some quick links to assignments, and some grammar resources. And so let's go on back up here. And what I want you to do is explore the table of contents. And in particular, make sure you navigate Read Me First and syllabus materials. So you can see I'm over here and it turns blue when I hover over it. And if you click on it, it will open up the other folders in that module. It will change what you see here. And then you can either scroll through and see everything in that first Read Me First folder, or you can click on the individual modules to see what is in each individual module more specifically. Okay, so read through all of this. This is a welcome, some information about online learning, an extra credit opportunity you can take advantage of right away. And then the syllabus materials are also very critical for you to make sure you read through and understand this week, and reach out and ask if you have any questions. So course information will go over this class, me, how we will be doing grades in this class, college policies, all very important documents for you to get familiar with. And then in particular, notice we have two documents that are really useful for organizing yourself. There's the course schedule. I'm going to click on that. And you'll see that this will show you all of your assignments and their due dates for the entire class. So you can see today, the first day of class is August 19th. Nothing is due today. Instead, just use today as an exploratory day. And then on the 21st, which is Friday, you do have your introductory discussion due. So make sure that you do that. It is worth 5 points. And then you will have your first literacy autobiography due 8/24 as well, and that's Monday. And you'll see that there are some dates where you may have more than one thing to do. So if you want to do the extra credit assignment, make sure that's done by the 24th. And then also make sure you sign up for conferences with me on the 24th. Another really handy tool, it will have the same dates in it, is the course checklist. And this will allow you to interactively work through the class, and it will also allow you to go directly to assignments. So you can see here that the Getting Started page will link to the things that you need to read here, and then it will also let you check off something when you've finished it, right? So let's say you've read both of these things, and so you can check it off, and then it'll help you track how far along you are in your class. So if you like to kind of see what you've got done and that helps you stay motivated, this is a fun way to track the work. And then you'll see, for example, when we do get to the first assignment, you can go to it, the introductions, click on it, and it will take you to the assignment here. And then in case this is your first online class, so this will tell you what I'd like you to do to introduce yourselves. And then you read those instructions, follow the directions, and when you're ready to post, you hit start a new thread, give it your own original title, and then you can go ahead and type your response in the box. You also have the ability, if you click add attachments, to record a video or audio if you would like to give us a sense for your voice or actually create a video like I'm creating here for you. And you can post that and share that with the class. So once you've got that done, you're going to hit post, and then that will be available for you to see, for me to see, and for your classmates to see. All right, so that's a little bit about how to get started. Remember, you can always reach me. Up here, you see our course CRN and name. Now, I'm teaching 2 sections of 101 this semester online, and so we have a 11842 and a 11843. So if you're in the 843, you'll get the same video. Your class is the same, but the number will be different here. But if you click on that, it'll take us to our home page. And you can scroll here, and there's a 24-hour help for D2L if you have any technology issues. And then here you see me in the instructor box and how you can get a hold of me. All right, everyone, I look forward to working with you this semester. Have a great day and keep in good communication, and everything's going to be great. You're going to get through this, and hopefully you'll learn a lot and you'll enjoy the class too. Bye-bye.